channel. It's your girl Precious and we're back again with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hi mommy, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be popping. And then if you're new to my channel, hey, Precious, welcome to my channel. Yeah, you know what to do. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, like or thumb this video up. Don't forget to go and check my other videos. Yo, Tivisa, you gotta like that, okay? You gotta like that. So guys, quick, today I just want to do my work makeup. You know I am always late for work. I need prayers. Woo. I am always late for work, guys. So I have like 30 minutes to finish up. I bathed, you know, I'm close work shoot thingies today, but then I'm gonna wear something on top. And then, so what we're gonna do is just do quick, simple, easy work makeup. Not something glam, but something, you know, sort of a bit natural kind of ish. Yeah. So without wasting any time, let's get back. Well, let's get into, not back, into the video. Yeah, so guys, there you have it. This is the finished look. Yeah, I know it didn't glam or anything, but the girl's still popping. So yeah, thank you so much for viewing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you liked it, thumb it up and comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Yeah, I really love to hear what you have to say or have to say about this look. Okay, yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share with your friends. Yo, so from me, Mugele, guys, please don't forget to follow me on my socials. On Instagram is PreciousM61, on Facebook is Precious Bundle, and on Instagram it's Bundle61. So please do follow me on my socials. Mugele is doing things, guys. Doing the things. I mean, what? So yeah, once more, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all my subscribers. Thank you so much for all the people who take the time to come and watch my videos once again. So let the girl move out of this place, cause time, honey, time.